Introducing Promptmate's Ad Copy Writer for High-Ticket Products template. Your one-stop solution for writing direct response ad copy that captivates your audience's attention, engages them effectively, and drives action towards your offering. Go on your high-ticket product webpage and copy the URL. Then, go back to Promptmate and paste the URL in the input field. Then click on Run. This template will first conduct thorough research to understand your target audience's demographics, preferences, behaviors, and needs. Then it will identify a unique selling proposition or a big idea that differentiates your product from competitors. It will also focus on a compelling and unique angle to grab attention. After that, based on audience insights and on the USP, it will craft a headline that immediately captures attention and communicates the most important benefit or aspect of your product. Then it will write a direct response long-form body copy. You will be able to download the results as a CSV or open on Google Spreadsheet. Tailored in the style of David Ogilvy, this template meticulously guides you through crafting captivating headlines, spotlighting key benefits, incorporating evidence and credibility, addressing customer pain points, creating a powerful call to action, and ending with a compelling closing statement. This step-by-step framework ensures your ad copy stands out, captivates your audience's attention, engages them effectively, and drives action towards your high-ticket offering. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.